If you see y in front of the minus sign, it's going to open vertically. This is your answer. If there was an x in front of the minus sign, it would open horizontally. To get the center, take these two numbers and multiply them by -1. So positive 3 times -1 is how much? -3, and -2 times -1 is 2. Since this was with x, I'm going to use that as my x coordinate. Since this is with y, I'm going to use that as my y coordinate. This is your answer. To find the vertices, you need to find a. And a is the square root of this number. Square root of 9, so 3. And since y is in front of the minus sign, I'm only going to be changing y from the center to get the vertices. So it's going to be 2, and then this plus this. So that's going to be 0, and then this stays the same. This minus this, so -6. This is your answer. To find the foci, you need to find c, and the formula for that is square root of a squared plus b squared. Yeah, this only works with hyperbolas. With ellipses, it's going to be a squared minus b squared, but a squared is this number, 9, b squared is this number. So square root of 25 is just 5. And again, since y is in front of the minus sign, I'm only going to change y to get the foci as well. Except this time we're adding 5, and we're subtracting 5. This is your answer. The transverse axis length is 2 times a. And a was 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. This is your answer. The conjugate axis length is 2 times b, so 2 times, well, this number is b squared. So if I take the square root of both sides of the equation, I get b equals 4. So change b to 4. 2 times 4 is 8. This is your answer. The lattice rectum length is 2b squared over a. So b squared is 16, and a was 3. Okay, 2 times 16 is 32, divided by 3. Okay. Eccentricity is c over a, and c was how much? 5. A was 3. This is your answer. The asymptotes for a vertical graph are going to be y equals a over b times x minus h plus k, y equals negative a over b times x minus h plus k. Okay, so change a to, what was a again? 3. Okay, so 3 over b, b was 4, x minus, this number is h, and then this number is k. So plus -3, that's the same thing as -3. And you'll notice that to go from here to here, we only added a minus sign in front. So that's the only thing that will change from here to here. -3 over 4 times x minus 2 minus 3. This is your answer. And stay tuned to understand why these formulas work. I'll make another video on why later today.